Welcome to Heat Temperature, Textbook Questions and Answers for Physics, Class 7. Of Good Luck publication. Let's start with, select the correct options. The question is, the value of 1 calorie is nearly equal to option A. 1.4 joules, option B. 2.4 joules, option C. 4.2 joules, option D. 4.2 kilojoules. The correct answer is option C. 4.2 joules. Explanation: 1 calorie is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. This is approximately equal to 4.2 joules, so, remember, 1 calorie is roughly 4.2 joules of energy. Next question: when an object is heated, its temperature, option A, does not change, option B, decreases, option C, increases, option D, first increases and then decreases. The correct answer is option C, increases. Explanation: when an object absorbs heat, the energy causes its molecules to move faster, which increases the temperature of the object. Next question: glass is A flammable substance, B, a non-flammable substance, C, sometimes flammable and sometimes non-flammable, D, none of these. Answer B, a non-flammable substance. Explanation: glass is a non-flammable substance because it does not catch fire easily and requires extremely high temperatures to melt. Next question: the change of a substance from one physical state to another is called option A, heat, option B, temperature, option C, change of state, option D, expansion. The correct answer is option C, change of state. Explanation: the change from one physical state to another, such as from solid to liquid or liquid to gas, is known as a change of state. This process is typically caused by adding or removing heat. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. A. Heat is a form of dash. Answer is heat is a form of energy. Explanation: heat is a type of energy transferred between objects due to a temperature difference. B. When most of the solids, liquids, and gases are heated, they dash. Answer is, when most of the solids, liquids, and gases are heated, they expand. Explanation: when substances are heated, they generally expand due to the increase in the motion of their particles. Next question: when most of the solids, liquids, and gases are cooled, they dash. Answer is, when most of the solids, liquids, and gases are cooled, they contract. Explanation: cooling causes substances to contract as the particles slow down and move closer together. Next, gases expand much more than dash and dash. Answer is, gases expand much more than solids and liquids. Explanation: gases expand more than solids and liquids because their particles are far apart and move freely. Next, 5. The dot dash is the most important and natural source of heat. Answer is, the sun is the most important and natural source of heat. Explanation: the sun is the primary source of heat and light for Earth. Next, 5. 6. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its dash. Answer is, the degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Explanation: temperature measures the hotness or coldness of an object. Next, state if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. Question 1. Heat and temperature are similar. Answer is false. Correct statement: heat and temperature are different. Reason: heat is energy, while temperature measures the degree of hotness. Statement 2. Heat does not cause expansion. Answer: false. Correct statement: heat causes expansion. Reason: heat generally causes substances to expand as particles move faster. Statement 3. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Answer: false. Correct statement: 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4,200 joules. Statement 3. The upper fixed point is the temperature of pure melting ice. Answer: false. Correct statement: the upper fixed point is the boiling point of water, 100 degrees Celsius. Statement 5. 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 300 Kelvin. Answer: false. Correct statement: 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 293 Kelvin. Reason: 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 293 Kelvin by using the formula Kelvin is equal to 20 degrees Celsius to 73 Kelvin is equal to 293 Kelvin. Match the following. Column A, heat, temperature, ice plus heat, vapor minus heat, ice point, steam point. Column B, A, liquid, B, 100 degrees Celsius, C. Degree Celsius. D. Joule. E. 0 degrees Celsius. F. Water. Please match each item in column A with the corresponding item in column B. Match the following answers. Heat matches with Joule, temperature matches with degree Celsius, ice plus heat matches with 100 degrees Celsius, vapor minus heat matches with liquid, ice point matches with 0 degrees Celsius, steam point matches with water. Next, 5. Pick the odd one out. Give scientific reason for your answer. Number 1. Melting, boiling, temperature, evaporation. Answer, temperature. Reason, temperature is a measure, whereas melting, boiling, and evaporation are processes. 2. Temperature, thermometer, 0 degrees Celsius. Heat, answer, thermometer. Reason, thermometer is an instrument, while the others are concepts related to temperature and heat. 3. Celsius, Joule, Kelvin, Fahrenheit. Answer, Joule. Reason, Joule is a unit of energy, while the others are units for measuring temperature. I answer the following in one statement. 1. State the temperatures of ice point and steam point on a Celsius scale. Answer, the ice point is 0 degrees Celsius, and the steam point is 100 degrees Celsius. 2. Write an expression to show the relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. Answer, Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 C 32 Fahrenheit. 3. At what temperature are both the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales equal? Answer, -40 degrees. Define the following terms. 1. Heat. Answer, heat is the energy transferred from one body to another due to a difference in temperature. 2. Temperature. Answer, temperature is a measure of the hotness or coldness of an object, indicating the average kinetic energy of its particles. 3. Thermometer. Answer, a thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature of a substance. It usually consists of a narrow glass tube with a liquid, such as mercury or alcohol, that expands and rises as the temperature increases. 4. Kelvin. Answer, Kelvin, K, is the C unit of temperature. It is an absolute temperature scale starting from absolute zero, the point where molecular motion theoretically stops. The Kelvin scale is commonly used in scientific measurements and is related to Celsius by the formula Kelvin is equal to degree C to 73 Kelvin. Next question, 4. Answer the following questions in detail. First question is, what are flammable and non-flammable substances? Give 2 examples of each. Answer, first, flammable substances are those that catch fire easily, usually because they have a low ignition temperature. Examples include petrol and alcohol. Second, non-flammable substances are those that do not catch fire easily. Examples include water and glass. Next question, 2. Explain the various effects of heat. Answer, 1. Expansion. When substances are heated, they tend to expand as the particles move more vigorously. 2. Change of state. Heat can cause a substance to change from one state to another, such as melting a solid or evaporating a liquid. 3. Increase in temperature. When heat is added to a substance, its temperature usually rises. 4. Chemical changes. Heat can induce chemical changes, such as cooking food or burning substances. Next question, 3. Describe an activity to find the lower fixed point of a thermometer. Answer, to find the lower fixed point, 0 degrees Celsius, of a thermometer, immerse the bulb of the thermometer in a mixture of ice and water at standard atmospheric pressure. Ensure that the ice is melting, not just cold water or ice cubes without melting. After a few minutes, observe the level of the liquid in the thermometer. The temperature reading at this point is the lower fixed point, typically marked as 0 degrees Celsius. Next question, 4. Differentiate between the following. 1. Heat and temperature. A. Heat. It is a form of energy that is transferred between objects due to a temperature difference. It is measured in joules. B. Temperature. It is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. It is measured in degrees Celsius, degree C, Kelvin, K, or Fahrenheit, degree F. 2. Mercury thermometer and alcohol thermometer. A. Mercury thermometer contains mercury as the liquid inside, which expands and contracts with temperature changes. Mercury thermometers are used to measure higher temperatures due to mercury's high boiling point. B. Alcohol thermometer contains alcohol as the liquid inside, which is often colored for visibility. Alcohol thermometers are used to measure lower temperatures because alcohol has a lower freezing point than mercury. Next question for V. Numericals. A. Boiling point of water on the Fahrenheit scale. Answer. The boiling point of water on the Fahrenheit scale is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 29 degrees Celsius in Kelvin. Answer. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, use the formula Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273 Kelvin. So, in Kelvin is equal to 29 plus 273 is equal to 302 Kelvin. Next, C. Temperature of ice point on the Kelvin scale. Answer. The ice point is 0 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 273 Kelvin. D. 77 degrees Fahrenheit on the Celsius scale. Answer. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, use the formula C equal to 5 by 9 multiplied by Fahrenheit scale 32 Celsius. C is equal to 5 by 9 multiplied by 7732 is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next one.